It's another calm and peaceful morning as we sail towards the port of Stavanger. You may remember from the last video we left Bergen and headed north towards Olden. Well, overnight we headed back south and are stopping off at the port of Stavanger, where we are taking a smaller catamaran type boat and heading out to enjoy the fjords close up. I wonder how these houses feel when a huge cruise ship parks right out in front. And here we are on board the smaller catamaran. There is comfy seating downstairs and not so comfy seating outside and upstairs. It's a good 40 minutes or so before there are some proper sights to see, so we're going to take a comfy seat downstairs for the time being. And it's time to enjoy some of the stunning scenery as we sail out towards Pulpit Rock. Let's enjoy the ride for a few minutes. Hey, check out the mountain goats. Must be feeding time.
Hello.
Time to see Pulpit Rock.
Bye.
And there it is, just over 600 metres above us. I must admit, from this angle it is a bit underwhelming, but from the top, Lonely Planet describes it as one of the world's most spectacular viewing points. And we are in the perfect place to visit some waterfalls, which I am discovering a real love for, so let's get up close and personal to one right now. So that is enough of Pulpit Rock and the waterfalls. It is now time to cruise back to the port, where we will have a couple of hours to look around the town and see what it has to offer. And it really is a monster of a ship, just look at it, or her, as I guess we're supposed to call them. Anyway, now it's time for a little stroll around the town in the afternoon sunshine. And there's lots of places to eat and drink, very colourful, especially in the afternoon sunshine. What did you get, honey? Hold it up. We're never going to remember them. The
macaroons.
3 macaroons, blueberry, citrus, and not orange, something else.
No, it was
some sort of chocolate caramel.
orange or something.
Yeah,
no, it was caramel.
Cheese caramel or something.
that's it. Cheesy caramel.
Was it? And then we've got chocolates as well.
Very
So
decorative.
mojito.
Blueberry vanilla mojito.
One's apple.
Apple pie. No, lemon. No, I don't know.
Lemon-
Apple pie.
lemon
something.
cake.
Lemon cake.
Yeah,
Something pie.
And mine was a goat's cheese one.
yeah. There you go.
That sounds a bit weird. It makes me vomit.
You could not walk by without buying some.
No, exactly.
And here we are on Gamle Stavanger. Apologies if I've pronounced that incorrectly, which are white wooden cottages preserved from the 18th and 19th century. And do you remember me saying as we docked, we wondered what the little white cottages thought of a giant cruise ship parking up? Well, not a lot as it turns out, as they are clearly against the idea, and while I can now see why their peace and quiet may be shattered when a ship arrives, I do wonder how much of their income and business comes from us tourists. Anyway, it's time to get back on the ship for another fun-filled night, and tomorrow we visit our last port of Kristiansand. So, welcome to Kristiansand. We have sailed through the night and are docked ready to disembark to explore this town. We have no real plans, so I think we're just going to get off and wander around. And for those that are interested, this is the route we have taken, heading a bit further south and are now docked, like I say, in Kristiansand. And our first impressions are this is a little more industrial than the other stunning places we've visited, but we're still going to have a good explore and see what there is to see. Morning, honey.
Oh, morning.
How are you?
I'm okay, thank you.
Where are we today?
We're in Kristiansand.
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 Yeah. What are we going to do today?
We haven't had breakfast yet, and it is 9:45. So Max is going to get up in a minute, I think. Going to then go up and have breakfast. And then we're going to get off the boat and go for a wander around the town.
Cool.
There's a fish market here. Apparently it's a good fish market.
Okay.
So we're going to see what fish we can see
Wicked.
in
All
the
right.
market.
We'll
obviously.
see everyone there.
See you later.
Bye. Thank you very much. Shipping containers turned into little shops just for cruise people, I'd imagine. Some good ingenuity there. Make the most of the thousands of people on the ship.
Welcome to the famous Kristiansand Fish Market. the beach area are these fountains. And also when we were there was this Ferris wheel, which unfortunately appears it is closed now at the time of releasing this video anyway. We unfortunately didn't get a chance to go on it because they would only take cash and we had no way of getting any cash to spend, so we had to miss this one out. Spent a good couple of hours wandering around and it seems really family orientated. And on the way back to the ship we wandered through this very colourful subway with lots of interesting murals and artwork, and Max had some fun as well.
3, 2, 1, go.
You okay?
Yeah.
And check out this funky little ID buzz. And then we moved on and finished with a walk through the main town centre, checking out all the shops and sights on the way. Here is a very old building that looks like it's being converted into a McDonald's. And we are back pretty much where we started, and it's time to board the ship for our last 24 hours on the water before we arrive back home in the UK and into the port of Southampton. Last stop on our Fjords cruise. We are leaving Kristiansand. Can't say everything properly. Heading home now. We have another 36 hours on the boat. So it's now Thursday night. We get home. It's now Wednesday afternoon. So we've got all the day Thursday at sea. So we're sailing all of Thursday. We get back into port on Friday morning early. So yeah, our last sort of exit from a Norwegian port. So see you soon.
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
I think keep it away from